This is Smart Fortwo with the chassis 451. This vehicle was almost parked or was stationary for 1 year, and now the brake is applying very late. So as you can see, the fluid is transparent, but I'm going to check the water level in the fluid. One second. And look, so all lights illuminated, and it says if the top red light is illuminated, the water level in the brake fluid is more than 4%, and that should be replaced. So this brake fluid must be replaced. So now we have replaced the brake fluid. Now we are going to check if we have a good result. Now it's less than 1%. So it's good result. Okay, we have replaced the brake fluid of this Smart Fortwo with 451 chassis, and previously you saw that the brake fluid was contaminated with water more than 4%.